controls of outer and inner hopper. Discharge automatic by the rotating drum. Electric cabinet and microprocessor programmable control system. All the electrical devices of the control system, PLC, and all the low-voltage electrical components and frequency transformers related to extension modulars except touch screen are installed in electrical cabinet, and all the operation are performed by using the touch screen installed on main machine. Installation of coating machine. 1. During installation, be careful to adjust baseboards to make main machine, hot blast air blower and air exhaust machine level, and to make every base under the average and level pressure. 2. Main machine rear is at least 0.7 meter far away from the wall. If condition allows, the distance should be extended to 1.2 meter, and main machine sides should be 1.2 meter far away from the wall to make it easy to maintain, clean and other related activity. 3. There should be a hot air blower installed at the right side of the main machine room, connecting hot air blower and air supplying tube. And the hot air blower should be at least 0.8 meter far away from the wall. If condition allows, there should be 1.2 meter distance around the hot air blower to make it easy to maintain. It is better that the distance between main machine and hot air blower is no longer than 1.5 meter to 2 meters to try best to decrease energy losing. The tube dimensions should fit main machine and hot blast air blower tube outlet size, and be connected by square and round type connecting tubes. During air exhaust period, it is better to be far away from main machine room and not in the same room with the main machine. Coating process. 1. Tablets into pan. 2. Preheating tablets. Open hot air, exhaust air, start main machine. Set temperature 60 to 75 degrees Celsius. Preheating hot temperature 38 to 42 degrees Celsius. 3. Adjust spray gun to make the spray material can cover the whole surface of core. The flowing